Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're doing a review of more HART products. HART, Walmart HART products that I know a lot of you hate as a product. I get so many comments about how they're trash, how they suck, how they break down. Go get the cheapest Home Depot stuff. It's better than this. No, guys, no. No, guys, no. All right, you're wrong. You're wrong. Okay. If there's any HART fans out there like me, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know whether this is a decent deal for you guys or not. I've had HART products. That's what I use. They're easy to get. They're inexpensive. I like them. All right, they're pretty decent. This is the Impact Driver Kit. I've had one of these before, and I just want another one. So Impact Driver Kit, it comes with 2 batteries, a charger. I got this on eBay. I did not get this. I think I got this on eBay for like 60, 70 bucks. I think this is probably a lot more expensive at the store. But it comes with 2 batteries and and a fast charger. If you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent deal or not. I know it is because I've used this before. But anyway, let's do the unboxing and we're gonna take it from there. All right, guys, so let's take a look at this. All right, this is what it looks like. You guys know what an impact driver looks like. I gotta tell you, I like it. All right, it's fairly heavy. It's fairly heavy. I've had this. I've used this. It's a pretty decent product. See what else is on here. All right, guys. So let's see what else is in here in the box. All right. You get 2 batteries. 2 batteries. You get a charger. A bunch of instructions, which I don't need and I don't use anyway. But all right. So basically, if you guys don't know how these work, it's a pretty much pretty easy in and out. You put it in and then it locks just in place. Reverse, forward button. Aside from that, nothing else. If you guys have this, you guys use this, drop a comment in the comment section, guys. Let us know whether this is a decent product for you or not. I'm gonna put a battery in and we're gonna see how it impacts. We're gonna see how it impacts. Sorry, guys. We're gonna see how it drills, because essentially it's a drill, but it's also an impact gun. If you guys have you know, whatchamacallit stuff on here, you guys have the bit to put it on here where you guys could use it like maybe an impact gun or something like that. But forward, backward. I gotta tell you guys, for the price, I got it cheap on eBay. They're pretty decently priced on eBay. You know, when I don't need to buy retail from the stores, I don't buy retail from the stores. Even Walmart, even with Walmart prices, which is pretty decent. But even with Walmart prices, which is pretty decent. All right, guys, I try not to buy retail. But anyway, that's my review. If you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent tool for the price. I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of HART haters out there saying that this sucks, it's not great, it doesn't, you know, they break down easily, they're not reliable, any of that stuff. But I've had these, they're really decent. I like these, they're really decent. And I'm gonna keep on continuing to buy HART products, put up more reviews for you guys. Guys, have a comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent product or not. Please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. If you guys have any of your own personal opinions about this channel, drop a comment in the comment section. I don't really care whether it's good or bad. It's not really a big deal to me. Just drop a comment in the comment section. Let me hear how you guys like this channel, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. Take care, guys.